So welcome back. Oxidation number. So oxidation numbers is a number. They are numbers that are determined by a set of some rules, and they appear in front. They appear at the top of an element. For example, Fe2 plus. The oxidation number of this element is +2. So there are some rules guiding the writing of oxidation number. The first rule is that the overall oxidation number of an element in a compound should be equal to 0. For example, this is a compound, sodium chloride. The summation of all the elements, the oxidation number of all the elements in this compound should be equal to 0. Another rule is that the all elements in their free state has an oxidation number of 0. What do you mean by elements in the free state? Maybe the solid state, the liquid state, or gaseous state. Maybe you see an element like this, they are in their free state, they have an oxidation number of 0. Also, in an ion, maybe positive or negative ion, the oxidation number will be the same as the number it carries on that ion. For example, Na plus, the oxidation number will be +1. Fe2 plus, the oxidation will be +2. Or S2 minus, the oxidation number will be -3, -2, etc. Now let's take an example, and the knowledge of this oxidation number is very very important in even in naming of our inorganic compounds, because at the end of the name we need to put the oxidation number in bracket. So let's take this compound for example. If I am to calculate the oxidation number of this compound, I will assume I'm looking for the oxidation number of this middle element, which is the sulfur. The oxidation number of sodium is fixed, is +1. How do I arrive at that? The atomic number of sodium is 11. So if I should express it using the KLMN configuration, it can be expressed as 2,8,1, meaning that it has the capacity to lose this electron. So anything capable of losing electron is a metal. So it's +1 multiplied by these 2, then plus I'm looking for this number of this middle element, so I can represent it as X. The oxidation number of oxygen is -2. How do I arrive at that? It has an atomic number of 8, so it can be expressed as 2,6. So it needs 2 electrons to make it up to 8. So it will be written as -2, meaning it's a metal, it's a non-metal. So multiply by this 4, everything equal to 0. Remember the first rule that the sum of the oxidation number of all elements in a compound should be equal to 0. So 1 plus 2 times 2 is 2, plus S, plus times minus minus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, everything equal to 0. So 2 minus 8 is -6. So I'll be having 6. So this, with the help of this oxidation number, I can easily name this compound. If I want to name this compound, it will be, I'll start with the first element, or let's say the metal, and Na stands for sodium. Then I'll move to the last element. Then I need to consider this 4. I can write 4. 4 can be written as tetrad. Then the oxygen will be written as ozo. So this is sulfur, but because it is it has been combined with oxygen, it will turn to sulfate. Then the oxidation number will be written in Roman numeral. So that is how to name the compound sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. So the knowledge of oxidation number is very very important in chemistry. Thanks for watching.